Hello everyone and welcome back. So for today's post, I thought I'd talk about something that, yes, has been talked about a lot, but it seems like word isn't getting out enough, and some of the things that I'm going to bring up, I haven't necessarily seen brought up. And so what I'm talking about is masks today and how to appropriately wear them. Because I have seen so many times when someone's wearing a mask inappropriately. So, first things, your surgical masks. There is a wire in every surgical mask. You can see this one holds its place. This one, if I bend it, it doesn't really hold its place. The wire goes at your nose, and you bend it around your nose when you first get it, and then put it on your ears. And pull it down completely under your chin, so that it covers the most. You can then take your glasses and actually put them over the edges, and make sure your nose is still bent. This is how it should be worn, not flipped around and worn this way, not spread out, anything like that. So you need that seal around your nose, and you need it under your chin. The reason for that, the seal under your nose prevents it coming up. Around your ears sends it back by your hair and this way, and down your chin sends it back this way. That helps any breath that's not coming through the mask and actually encourages any water droplets to be caught before it escapes the mask. And I'll explain that later. Masks without a nose piece, you still need to do the same and make sure if at all possible, you're doing the same. Glasses can actually help create that nose piece and do the same. Now, some masks are made reversible. Don't ever do that. Always wear your mask the same way. Another issue, wash your mask after use or leave it for a couple of weeks at a time. Don't reuse the same mask day after day after day after day. These masks, some of them don't have an inner protective valve on them, a cloth to prevent to make sure the air is filtered. If they don't have the cloth to filter, then you are putting others at risk. If you have the cloth to filter, then you're okay. A lot of N95 masks, those with the valves, are made to where it opens up to just let it all out. You need one that doesn't open up because wearing a mask, as we've talked about, protects you and not others. Now, some other things I've seen. It doesn't do any good to wear your mask up here. To wear your mask below your nose. To keep pulling it down so you can talk to people. That does no good. You need to wear your mask completely. Bandana masks you can put them on. That's fine. Make sure it's up over your nose, etc. But the other thing is, if at all possible, double it up, because that double will help create a extra layer of protection over and above just a single layer of cloth. So I hope that helps, because I've seen so many people wearing it under the nose, having their chin completely open, or wearing it up here, who feel they need to remove it just to talk to people. Even in a professional setting where you're presenting to people, it should be worn. You don't need to take the mask off to talk to people and have them hear you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.